We gonna call red shirt Kid, and we gonna call green shirt, we gonna call him let me see, Napper. Okay, y'all, so I shot up here to Texas right now. I'm ready to go home. I should have followed my first mind and stayed my ass at home. No Wi-Fi. I don't have no service. No service. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go home. I should have never came up here. I'm gonna go home. Listen, girl, I gotta take glasses off so you can see me eye to eye, face to face, to let you know how serious I am. Look, I'm ready to go home. But, you know, I'm gonna suck it up. I'm gonna be a big girl, and I'm just gonna find me something to do. I need to go get me some muscle shirts. What they call y'all? What y'all call them? Camis? Or camis? No, it's not a camis. Like, I don't want a camis. Like, I already got big ass broad shoulders, and camis, or whatever, however you say it, camis, whatever. They just make it even worse. Be like a whole football player. No ma'am. So I need to give me some camis and some more tights. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna make okay, y'all, I done made it to my destination or whatever, so let me go ahead and go up in here before it start raining. I'm still pissed. Oh, y'all, it's raining. It's raining. But they really don't have a lot of shopping places here. Why is it not picking me up? Yeah, it's not picking me up. Oh, wait. Okay. Oh Lord, y'all, I'm packing pills. It's packed. Like JP'd in here, y'all. Oh. Like, why is it just packed? I'm not gonna spend no extra money. I'm literally coming here to get what I said I was gonna get, and I'm gonna go. Pinky swear. But they got some cute stuff in here, y'all. These are really cute. Somebody probably gonna snatch me up here. Hold up, y'all. Hold up. Yeah, they really got some nice stuff in here. Like, oh my gosh. That's cute. I said I was coming in here for some muscle shirts, but look at that. Let me tell y'all what happened when I was in Texas. See, now I'm at home, I can talk about it. While I'm telling y'all what happened, I'm really finna be, you know, killing two birds, you know, with one stone. And I'm finna place around my hair. I'm gonna have to take my glasses off, y'all. I'm gonna have to take my glasses off because of the glare. So I honestly I can't even see the freaking screen. But anywho, so let me tell y'all about what happened while I was in Texas. Let me tell y'all how God be working. First of all, I'm just gonna say this. Like, before I even say anything else, I'm just gonna give God the glory in all of this, because it really could have went somewhere else. Like, y'all, you never know how much God be looking out for you until, you know, you just look back at a situation, you know, you think about what could have been. Like, what if this happened, what if this happened, you know. God is good. While I was up there, the second day when I was up there in Texas, I was bored. Like, I was really bored because my boyfriend was at work or whatever, you know. I was just in the room. I was bored in the hotel room, so I wanted to go somewhere and get some content or whatever, and I had needed to get some chemis. I go and I find, you know, I go like driving around, and then I go to a Burst Outlet. The town I was in, it really didn't even have a lot of selection of stores. So, you know, I went to, you know, a Burst Outlet or whatever. Beach. First sign. Now, I had been using my camera all day and I did not have no problem with it. Soon as I go to walk into the store, my freaking camera was not focusing on my face. I was dark and I was like, you know, what's going on? So I had stopped in front of the store, fixed my camera or whatever. 3-4 minutes passed. I finally got the camera to, you know, focus on my face. So I'm going in the store, I'm vlogging myself, I'm walking in the store, you know, minding my business. Like everybody should. And don't worry, y'all, I'm gonna paint the picture. Okay, so like, I'm walking into Burlington. I'm walking into the store now. I'm nosy. I'm gonna look around anyway. I'm looking around, I'm seeing people. I'm like, oh my god, she's packed. I think I said that. And you know, while recording, I was like, it's packed as hell. Now, I was probably the only black in there. I ain't trying to, you know, bring race into nothing, but I'm just saying I was the only black there. It was a couple of, you know, Caucasian, but the rest, it was nothing but Mexican. Burst Outlet, this was a big one. Like, this is a big one. It was like a nice size, like a small Walmart. I'm looking at the racks like it's really nice. I'm like, oh my god, it's big. You know, I'm getting excited because it got some nice stuff in this store or whatever. So I go to the lingerie section. I'm going to the lingerie section because I realized I need some drawers. So first of all, it's this big man, this big fat man. He in the lingerie section, right? Like, he ain't looking at shit. I don't know if he just looking at the drawers or pants. I don't know if he was trying to buy his wife a daughter or something. I don't know. But, you know, it was kind of uncomfortable. But, you know, weirdos will be weirdos. So, you know, I was trying to kind of feel it uncomfortable. For some reason, I was just uncomfortable. It was a lot of going back and forth. Like, it was people it was a lot of people in that store. Like, I'm talking about, this is a lot. I go back to the jewelry section. Cashier is right here, and the door is right here. Cashier right here, the door right here. And the rows I was on, the junior side is like all the way over here, like in this area or whatever. And then you got me inside on the other side. So I'm trying to paint y'all a picture. Something was telling me, check your surroundings. I looked around, I looked or whatever, and then, you know, I saw this guy in a green shirt. I saw him in a green shirt, and he was like he was looking at the racks, but he was like these, like it was like a slick kind of, you know, like a, you know what I'm saying? And so the first time when I looked up, I locked eyes with him because I felt like looking at me. Like, you know how you can feel when somebody is looking at you, like you can feel it. Like it's like whatever part they looking at start burning. Y'all know what I mean? When somebody is staring at me, y'all, it's like I can feel it. I can feel when somebody is staring at me. I don't know why. I don't know. It might be, you know, what they call it. It might be your, you know, your instincts. So I looked up and I looked at him, and he saw me see him. Like we locked eyes. But you know, I didn't think nothing of it. I started, you know, vlogging again or whatever. I started vlogging, and I had moved to the like little section like where the brushes and stuff be, like where the accessories, like where the accessories be. I'm at the makeup brushes, like I was looking at the makeup brushes, and I'm like, oh my god, it's so pretty. And then my camera dies. My camera dies, y'all. And it was just on a full battery. I kid you not. The Lord be working. Starbucks shopping. Because, you know, it's just not meant, evidently, for me to vlog. So I go back over, you know, to the junior section because, you know, I'm trying to like find me some clothes. They got some cute pieces in Burlington. Not Burlington. They got some cute pieces in Burst Outlet. And, you know, I'm seeing the deals. I'm seeing the pretty clothes. The prices looking good. You know, I'm in heaven right now. Like, I'm really enjoying myself. But again, I feel somebody watching me. Okay, so I go back on the junior side. I'm trying to put a fit together or whatever. Woo, woo, woo. Again, I feel somebody watching me. Then there go red shirt. Red shirt was not over there where green shirt was. Green shirt, now keep in mind the green shirt was over there in the men's section. And then you have the red shirt that's like up this way doing something, but he acting like he, you know, he walking through the aisles or whatever. He acting like he walking through the aisles like he trying to find something, but I see him looking at me. The man in the green, he did not move his position. He was in the same spot, like in that same area. Well, I'm gonna show y'all the picture. He was in that same area for the longest. Now, mind you, I was in that store a good 45 minutes. 45 minutes because I felt like I was being watched and followed. Now, I know I'm dramatic. So, you know, I be really think I be overreacting. So, you know, I was just... Now, remember what I said now. Y'all put 2 and 2 together because maybe it's me. Maybe it's me. Y'all sit here and y'all put 2 and 2 together now. Now, with nothing in your hand, you ain't picked up nothing. I haven't seen this man look at a tag, y'all. I ain't see him pick up something, put it to him, look like he's shopping or nothing. Hey, okay, now red shirt. Now let me tell you what red shirt doing. He walking back and forth all the time. He acting like he looking through the through the aisles or whatever. He acting like he, you know, he shopping. Wanna call them by red shirts? Let's get personal since they try to do something, some sick shit anyway. We gonna call red shirt Kid. Green shirt, we gonna call him let me see, Napper. So Kid decides to walk by Napper, right? And so I'm like, so both of these gentlemen are watching me. They looking at me now. Okay. They have been watching me for what, going on 20-30 minutes. Okay. Now they know each other. Cause Kid decided to walk his dumb ass by Napper. That was a smart on it's dumb on his move, but thank God. They know each other. They're plotting something. So that's when I got scared and I called my boyfriend. I don't know what the fuck he was gonna do. He was at work, but I called my boyfriend because I like, maybe I'm being over dramatic. There was a lot of men in the store. Like, I'm not even, y'all, I'm not joking. I'm not lying. So I'm on the phone. I'm telling Vontae, I think these men are following me. And so I took the picture. That's how I ended up taking the picture, because Vontae was like, my boyfriend was like, take a picture just to be sure. Y'all, if y'all trying to say, well then why you ain't move? Bitch, let me tell you, junior section is big as hell. It's big. It go from front to back. So I'm going to front to back, but they are keeping a close distance now. I moved all the way to the back in the corner of the motherfucking store. Hold up. I can't even finish my hair. I can't even finish my hair because I'm trying to tell y'all this. Okay, so I moved to the back of the store where the shoes were tucked in the corner, y'all. Tucked in the corner. So I'm back there like 10 minutes. At that point, I'm freaking out because I really do feel like I'm being followed, and I don't know if it's just those two, you know, that could be in the store. It could be anybody. Like I said, it was packed. I said, Vontae, okay, I'm gonna see, cause I'm in the corner and ain't nobody back here. So I'm back there for a good little minute, cause he told me to stay there, you know, just stay put and just, you know, to see. I'm ready to go. I'm finna go to the cash register. Y'all, I come from out of the back corner. I come from out the back corner and I kept walking straight. Tell me why a kid in the red shirt, tell me why a kid is walking to the back of the store trying to find me, trying to see where the fuck I done went to, y'all. He was trying to find me. We passed each other. We all showed touch, like, y'all, he was trying to find me when nobody back there but me. That's not it. Mind you, I just told you he walked back to the to the store. Wasn't anybody at the cash register when I got up. The store had died down of people, y'all. I was in that store a long time. Mind you, okay, y'all listening? He walked back and I walked forward to the cashier. Y'all, not even a minute, not even 2-3 fucking minutes had passed while I was at the cash register. He walks outside. He walked outside. When I saw him walk outside those doors, y'all, my heart fell in my ass. Now listen, y'all know how the cash registers be in TJ Maxx, like it's like the zigzag. Y'all want to know where the green shirt was? He wasn't in the zigzag, but he was on the side, like right beside where the zigzags start, looking through the stuff, like, you know, through the little stuff they be having on the side. So, you know, when you waiting, you can be looking and, you know, looking at stuff in case you want to pick up something else. They trying to take me, y'all. I told the cash register lady, I told the cashier, the lady at the cash register, I said, ma'am, listen, it's two men have been following me around this store since I got in here, and I just came to the cash register and he just walked outside the door, and this one, the other one, is right there. So the lady at the cashier ended up calling for a manager to walk me to my car or whatever, and you know, I showed him the pictures, I told him what was going on, woo. Then, you know, we stayed in the store with a good 10-15 minutes before we walked out or whatever. Cause what if I was vlogging and I wasn't aware of my surroundings? What if, you know, what if my camera didn't die? And it's crazy. It's just so crazy to me because I see this on Facebook all the time. I see testimonies about women, them being followed, kidnapping scares where men following them around the store. We see this stuff not thinking that it could happen to us. As women, we gotta have us a piece. We gotta get us a Glock, a glizzy, the mouse tool. We gotta get us mace, tasers, something. Have something to protect yourselves, because I felt so helpless. What did I have to protect myself? Like, what could I have done to protect myself? I didn't have anything. They won't catch me slipping no more.